Hi everyone, welcome back. Beautiful experiences for you, and one of my favorite boxes has showed up. This is my Petite box from Free Spirit Designs. It's a quarterly box. They have the Petite, but they also have the Elite. So my Elite box should be coming also any day now. Up on the screen is the price for the box. You always get your value, and you get beautifully curated items. And this is their 5-year anniversary next year. And what comes with these subscriptions is Victoria. So it's Victoria's box. Well, she doesn't actually come with the subscription, but she's an interior designer. So you get access to an interior designer. So let's say you are saying, I am looking for a picture and this is my style, these are my colors, here's my wall. She will help you find a picture. And she really sealed this box up good. They also, oh my goodness gracious, it is protected. They also do videos, lives, showing how to use the items you get in your boxes to decorate your home. So she's very hands-on, she's very accessible, and she loves what she does, and she cares about all of her subscribers. I mean, come on, it's amazing. So let's unbox this one. So again, this is the spring Petite. You always get a card, a picture card that she actually has commissioned to be made. Yeah. Now you normally don't get this size, but I love it. I think it's beautiful. I think it is perfect for spring. Normally the size is, more just lengthwise, but I love that she is mixing it up, doing something different. I love the size. I love the colors. Beautiful. Okay, now on back of the card, how I said that she does different events, on the back of the card describes the different events that she's going to be doing. She has got a live styling event with this bundle and the other. She is going to have a spring styling tips and tricks. She is going to have a setting the Easter table. Oh my goodness, March 1st, next bundle arrives? No. Are we getting one early? Oh, I'm going to have to find out. That is super exciting. If we're already getting one early, I wonder if she meant to say May 1st. I don't know, but that's okay. Let's see what items we have. All right, the first, we have got some candles. Okay, let's see here. I'm gonna move the box a little bit. There we go. Get my scissors. Ooh, these are pretty. Look at these. Are those not beautiful? I love the curl, or the twist, the curl. I love the twist. Those are super pretty. And, well, I was gonna say, and they stand up by themselves. They do not, but look how beautiful those are. Those are very, very nice, you guys. First item, super happy. Second item, right here. Okay, let me see what this is. It's amazing. It is amazing. You guys, look at this table holder. Look at that. Is that not absolutely beautiful? Wow. That is so pretty, you guys. Look at this. All right, let me that's not too bad. You know, candles never fit perfectly. You always have to like do some, you know, stuffing in there. But you guys, look how beautiful that's going to be. I mean, one of a kind. One of a kind. I have never seen anything like it. That is beautiful. Oh, it's out of frame. There you go. I love it. That is so pretty. That's really pretty. I really, really like that. Okay. And we got a card. So let's see what it says. And she handwrites all of her cards. Hello, sweet friend. Happy New Year. What a gift it is to step into Free Spirit Bundle 5-year anniversary with you by my side. I am so grateful you are a part of this family. Thank you for being here and for letting these pieces become part of your home. I pray this month brings you joy, beauty, and a renewed sense of how deeply loved you are. With love, Victoria. Isn't that nice? That's super nice. Okay. Oh my goodness, let's see here. How to get the stuff out. Oh, I don't want to, let's see. Very carefully, right? Okay, so there's one, and here's another, and I'm gonna, let's do this first one because it's not boxed. Side. Isn't that beautiful? And we have another one. We have two. So let me get the other one out as well. Now I have seen this item. She did post it already to spoil it for us. So here is the inside of the box. Look. Oops, I dropped again. Look how beautiful this is. So nice. Oh, I love that. And bring the candle back into frame here. Love that. Doesn't fit perfectly, but it's character. I love it. It's character. And here's the next one. Okay. And here's the next one, the smaller one. Let's see, how do I open it? There we go. There she is. How beautiful. Display like this, at an angle, alone. Oh my gosh, what am I gonna use them for? This one, actually both of these would fit very nicely in my husband's bathroom. Because the bathroom is very, what's the name called when you decorate the bath? When you decorate, it's kind of like the old, like it's like library, like it's a very, very, very dark green. Gosh, what is that called? Academia, that it is. So his bathroom's very academia. This is going to look beautiful in there. Look how big it looks compared to me. I love it. Super, super happy. Okay. Our last item already. It's always sad coming to the end. But I know I have another box coming by Victoria. And I did get the 5-year box. And they're shipping, I believe it's June 1st. Isn't so exciting? Okay. Oh, it's a picture frame. Oh, it's a picture frame. And it's very cold from being outside. Very pretty. Oh my gosh, you guys, it goes perfectly. Look at this. It goes perfectly. Absolutely perfect. Wow. Beautiful curation. Now I wonder, now this couldn't do that. So I'm gonna have to go to Hobby Lobby this weekend to get me a frame for this, because you always got to frame her beautiful prints. But you guys, it is so pretty. Look at it. super happy. So you see, value is here, 100% unique, different items that you do not see other places, selected by an interior designer specifically for you. How awesome is that? So go check out her website, Free Spirit Bundle or Free Spirit Designs, I think is what it is. Is it free? Yeah, I think it's free. Yeah, her company's Free Spirit Designs, but the subscription is Free Spirit Bundle, Living Beyond the Ordinary. That's her brand. So she is on, see here, Facebook, Instagram, I believe, too. So go check it out. You're not going to regret it. So hope you enjoyed another unboxing, and you guys take care. Bye, everyone.